Trying to elevate my game, though, one step at a time, y'all. So I appreciate y'all understanding what I got going on and what I'm trying to do. But this is a nice one right here, y'all. This most definitely was a good pickup. Good pickup here, y'all. Yeah. Y'all see what's going on, man. Salt and pepper out here holding it down.
Man, got my boy KG behind the camera though.
All right, y'all, I'm about to get it popping. I just seen this glass was a little dirty under here, so I'm gonna clean that out real quick. But y'all know Chris about to pull up on me soon, man. We about to actually put an oil treatment on this truck and see if it takes care of that ticking we got going on. So I watched enough videos. I also seen a method. They said we could put transmission fluid inside of the oil and it'll actually let us know if it's a lifter or not based on, I guess the transmission fluid got a detergent in it and the detergent will clean out or unstick something that's stuck inside the motor. So I'm thinking about doing that. Also, adding a Lucas oil treatment to the oil, maybe with some high mileage. So we're gonna see exactly what it is we need to do today. Appreciate all y'all rocking with me. If you ain't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for sure. Hopefully you learned something, because I'm learning too. It ain't all about teaching. I'm learning. I'm just sharing it with y'all as it go on, you know what I mean? So yeah, I see we got the third row seats that we bought. But we actually got a second truck, and the second truck had third row in it, so I put it in there. I don't really know how to attach it. I haven't really messed with it too much, but that's coming soon. But waiting on Chris to pull up. We actually got to get to the auto parts store and get the right stuff. I probably could have bought some things already, but I said, you know what? Let them come with me. Let's go together and get all the right stuff. So coming soon, y'all. Just cleaning this little part out right here, man. It looked like it was dirty, a little neglection. So I said, you know what? Let me get that out of there. If it's gonna be clean, let it be all the way clean. If you could help it, you know what I mean? Truck pretty solid though, man. It was a one owner. It ain't brand new, but it's clean. Okay. Ain't brand new, but it's clean. I appreciate it for what it is. Y'all know I love these big body trucks like this, y'all. Trying to elevate my game though, one step at a time, y'all. So I appreciate y'all understanding what I got going on and what I'm trying to do. But this is a nice one right here, y'all. This most definitely was a good pickup. Good pickup here, y'all. Yeah. Got salt and pepper out here on the street, holding it down. Some can, some can't. Y'all see what's going on, man. Got salt and pepper out here holding it down. Yep. Sun on its way up, right above that tree, per usual. You know what I mean? I seen in the video somebody was mixing that actually in the actual quarts of oil before he put it in the car though. Mm-hmm. Does that? Oh, they still gonna mix anyway when you do it like that?
Yeah. Let me cut a bigger tip. Mm-hmm. The only thing we're gonna do is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when you said just over here, I said, oh yeah, between this one and right here.
Yeah. So I went down there and took my pictures in the parking lot down here on the corner.
Yeah.
And then I came up here and posted them so people could see them through traffic because I'm always here every day anyway. So the goal was pretty much set my shoes up, do my thing over here like I normally do, and just have these here doing what they do on the side though, and hopefully everything work out the way it's supposed to. Plus, if somebody need me or can pull up on me, I got everything I need in one spot though. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Got my boy KG behind the camera though.
That's what I be trying to tell y'all, man. Like, hey, man, can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen, you hear me? Can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the AC, man. But outside of that, though, man, subscribe to the channel. Invite me, man, my second YouTube channel, you feel me? I'm over here waiting on y'all to get there. Tap in. I actually got 2 YouTube channels, so there's 2 different QR codes on each side of the truck. Just check them out.
All right, I got you.
Yep, I do daily vlogs almost every day. Oh, did you take a picture or scan it?
I took a picture of it.
Oh, you had to scan if you take the picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It reached?
Yeah, KG Go Hard?
KG Go Hard, that's me, bro.
Yeah, I just subscribed.
I appreciate you, man.
All right, no problem.
Yep.
Today's video is brought to you guys by KG Go Hard, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna put it on there right there. You know what I'm saying? Let the thing clear in. Yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe, like, hit the bell. You know what I'm saying? Go hit him on his last video and tell him, you know what I'm saying, Real to Real sent you. You know what I'm saying? And we are here. You know what I'm saying? For some big support. But yeah, make sure y'all do that, man. All the links are in the description below to the channel. So make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? He just getting started. He won Mr. 75 Caprice giveaway. And he started a YouTube channel after doing it. That's why I told you guys can start your YouTube channel after you win these vehicles, because it'll help you grow by saying that you own this person's vehicle. You know what I'm saying? And it'll help you out in the long run. So, yeah, make sure you guys get y'all tickets for Big Boy Ram Truck. And make sure y'all give him a subscribe. His link is in the description. And, yeah, man, let's get back into the video. Peace.
Alright guys, y'all know this video is sponsored to you by my boy Kevin Jones, man, aka Kaji Go Hard. He won the Tahoe, the two-door Tahoe on 30s from Mr. 75 Caprice. So he's out there living, man. He's lit. Excuse me. I'm gonna give y'all his you know, after this you're gonna see the links of his YouTube, his Facebook, and his Instagram, and then in the description is where y'all gonna see the links to just go easily access to go subscribe, like, and follow him on all 3 platforms that he's got going on. His YouTube reminds me a lot of myself. Like, I really like him, guys. So if y'all rock with me, go rock with him. He really showing like how to show love. He's out there. He's putting the camera in people's faces. He's energetic. He's ready to go. He wants it. You know, I think he needs it. You know what I'm saying? I needed it. That's why I act how I act. I need it. You feel me? So I hope the best for him, man. And this video is sponsored to you by Kaji Go Hard. So go give him a chance, guys. Like I said, he won the giveaway by Mr. 75 Caprice. He came in first place and got the truck. So big shout out to him. And don't leave the video, guys. If y'all at the end of the video, thank you for watching the whole thing. If y'all at the middle, keep watching, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit. Got me. Alright, gang, man. This video is brought to you by KG Go Hard. I need y'all to go mess with him, man. His real name's Kevin Jones. He won that car off of 75 Caprice, Mr. 75 Caprice. Please go show him some love, gang. He heavily invested into this. And just the real ones, I just need y'all to go over there and show him, you know, that y'all seen this and that y'all support him. At least go comment 32 gang. Go run his subscribers up, run his following up, run his Facebook up. You know, I'm doing my best for him, gang. I did a 2nd video in a row for him. So it's because he actually reminds me of myself, guys. He does everything really, really good. He works super hard every single day on YouTube, guys. So if y'all have love for me, I need y'all to go show love to KG Go Hard. The links will be in the description of this video. Y'all can leave right now and go subscribe and follow him. That's how much I want him to succeed, guys. Also, make sure that y'all come back and enjoy the rest of the video. Some crazy shit happened, man, when CJ and my mom seen each other. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And also, if you're at the end of the video, man, thank you for watching the whole video. You were awesome. And, you know, let's just keep going from there, guys. And like I said, please go to the links in my description to subscribe, follow, and add friend on Facebook to my guy, KG Go Hard, aka Kevin Jones. Big shout out to Kevin Jones, man. I see you, bro. I'm doing my best for you. Hopefully people go over there and message you. See you guys in a bit.